the lecture I am going to find the value of cot x divided by cot x minus cot 3x plus tan x divided by tan x minus tan 3x. Let's see the answer. So here we can write cot x divided by cot x minus cot 3x. Thereafter plus tan x divided by tan x minus tan 3x. Now here cot x, so this term going to convert into tan form. So let's write here cot x, and this we can write cot, that is 1 by tan, and cot 3x we can write 1 by, so here x is there, 1 by tan x, and cot 3x we can write 1 by tan 3x. Next is tan x, and here tan x minus tan 3x. Thereafter let's write cot x divided by, here the LCM come tan x into tan 3x, and here if you take the LCM here, this is the LCM tan x tan 3x. This all term divided with tan x tan 3x return, tan 3x multiply with 1, and this all term divided with tan 3x, tan x return, tan x multiply with 1. Thereafter right here plus tan x, and here tan x minus tan 3x. Next is this move up, so here we can write cot x tan x into tan 3x. So here we can write tan 3x minus tan x, and here if I take the minus common, so this place minus come, and here write tan x, so minus taken the common, so we can write tan 3x first, and here tan x, minus taken the common, plus minus minus. Next is, here you can see tan 3x minus tan x, tan 3x minus tan x. The same term is there, so here LCM come tan 3x. So here the LCM come tan x, tan 3x minus tan x. Now this multiply with this all, so we can write cot x into tan x into tan 3x minus tan x. So tan theta into cot theta, that is 1, and 1 into tan 3x, that is tan 3x minus tan x, divided by tan 3x minus tan x. So same term is there, it cancel and 1 return. So 1 is the answer of this question. One time going to repeat. So here this is cot divided by cot x minus cot 3x plus tan divided by tan x minus tan 3x. So no need to change this one, only change this cot x minus cot 3x. So when that change, here it come 1 by cot x minus 1 by cot x equal to 1 by tan x minus 1 by tan 3x. Take the LCM. The LCM come tan x into tan 3x. Tan 3x multiply with 1. Here tan 3x, this plus tan x. This move up, because here with cot there is 1 hidden, and here this term, so this term and this term, so this term move up. Okay, so that here cotx tan 3x tan x into tan 3x divided by tan 3x minus tan x. So here this term, here tan 3x minus tan x there, and tan x minus tan 3x. So it's not the same. So if I want to make the same, so we need to take the minus common. So plus minus minus and this value, and same value is there, so write that. Thereafter here this term multiply with this all, so this value is now 1. Here that return 1 into tan 3x minus tan x. It cancel and that return 1. So this is the way we can find the value of this question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.